to my channel, All Things Yazz. I hope you guys are safe and well. In today's video I have a new Louis to show you and I'm so excited. I have wanted this handbag since its release and I finally plucked up the courage to buy it. I'm going to do a review and a comparison with a couple of my other Louis. So yeah, let's get into it. So you all know what handbag I picked up from the title and thumbnail, and it is the Louis Vuitton On The Go in the GM size in the black leather version. Isn't she beautiful? She's such a stunningly sleek handbag. We have the giant monogram on the front and back. On the sides we have the normal size monogram. We've got touches of gold hardware on the sides, the straps and the zips. And inside she is lined with a microfiber lining, which is stunning. It's super soft in what I can only describe as a brownie orange colour. So there are a couple of reasons why I picked up this handbag. I've wanted it for, well, since its release, and what really pushed me to get it was I'm now pregnant and I just thought this was the perfect baby changing handbag, but also everyday handbag. You can use this in so many different ways. It can become your overnight handbag, your work handbag. It fits so much stuff in and it's so practical because we have two types of straps. So you've got the one that you can hook under your arm like that, and then you can transform it into a shoulder bag as well, which I absolutely love. It is amazing. I've bought up my two Neverfulls, so I have two Neverfulls to do a comparison with this. Just in case you guys are thinking of purchasing this and you don't know whether to go for the Neverfull or the On The Go, and I believe the Neverfull MM size is very similar size-wise to the MM of this size, and obviously I don't have one of those yet. So I thought I'd do a comparison with my Neverfull to help you guys out. But yeah, what do you think of this? Let me know in the description down below. So the reason why I went for the black instead of what I would term the classic brown monogram that I have on my Neverfulls is because it has the reverse monogram. It's not all one brown normal monogram. It's got the reverse monogram. I'll put a picture up somewhere on the screen so you can see if you don't know. Yeah, it's not a bit of me. The black for me just goes so well with my wardrobe. I know how to style it, and yeah, just not a fan of the reverse monogram. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of that, what are your thoughts on the reverse monogram. Just not my cup of tea. So let's get into the inside. I haven't really talked about the inside. So in comparison to the Neverfull, it doesn't come with a pouch. Literally inside is what you get. So let me just move these straps out of the way and I can show you. So we have the, if you can see, if not I will do close-ups. We have the clasp, which I have noticed is quite hard to undo. But that is literally the only fault I have with the bag. We have this really big deep zip compartment. You can fit my whole hand in it, which has been really handy. And then we have two like phone pockets where I put my card holders and stuff like that. The amount you can fit in this handbag is astronomical and that's why it's perfect for me being a baby changer bag, an everyday kind of like work bag. I can fit my laptop, diary, iPad, phone, wallet and watch, all that jazz. You can fit it in here. It does become a bit heavy, however these straps are really comfortable, as are these ones for the underneath your arm. So it is perfect, and the amount it holds, you don't feel like it's got any strain. It's just a testament to Louis Vuitton and their craftsmanship, because this holds a lot. And the other thing is, it doesn't bend, it doesn't change shape. It's really supported down here, which looks really nice and sleek when you're walking about with it. Okay, so now on to a little comparison with my Neverfulls. So let's start off with the GM Neverfull. So size-wise, they're very much the same, as you can see, in length. Width, I would say the Neverfull edges it just a little, but that's because of its unstructured nature. To compare it with the GM On The Go, we only have one strap, so you can't hook it underneath your arm. It's not structured, but that's the kind of like style of this bag. You can mold it and shape it into a different bag altogether. You have these tassels on the side that, again, yeah, as I was saying, can mold it into a different bag. It does have the strap clasp to cinch it together, microfiber lining in the On The Go, textile lining in the Neverfull. The Neverfull comes with a detachable pouch, whilst the On The Go doesn't, and the Neverfull just has this one large zip compartment within it. So yeah, if you're looking for something a bit more flexible, I'd go for the Neverfull. It is a lot cheaper than this one. I love them both, so I couldn't say which one I would pick from at the moment. Both would be great as baby changing handbags, and the only difference in use, I wouldn't take this on a beach, whilst I always take this on a beach. That's the only difference. So if you want a slightly more versatile handbag, then I'd go for the Neverfull. This does come in a black version like this, and I think it comes in the giant monogram as well, so that is something to consider. And this has more variations at the moment, but I'm sure they'll be bringing out more variations of this as well. So I also brought up my size Neverfull because I've seen on the website that the dimensions are very similar to the size of the On The Go. So same differences. All I can say is that you can't fit as much as in this. So if you're thinking of how big you want your handbag, it's how much you're aiming to fit in. So yeah, that's the slight differences. So if I get them together, this is considerably larger width-wise as well. Ooh, holding those handbags up really got my shoulders working there. Another difference between the Neverfull and the On The Go, the On The Go that I have in the black is in a grained cowhide leather, whilst the Neverfulls are a monogram coated canvas. So that's obviously what makes the On The Go, as well as the lining, the microfiber lining and the structure, more expensive than the Neverfull. So I just thought I'd drop that in because I walked away and I was like, I didn't mention about the leather and the material itself. Silly, that should have come up straight away. But yeah, those are the differences between the materials themselves. And the On The Go, it feels it feels more supple in comparison to the Neverfull. In the comments down below what you think of this handbag. I personally think it's absolutely stunning and I love it. I love it so much. Which size would you get? Would you get the GM size or the MM? Personally for me, I always carry a lot of stuff with me, so the GM is perfect for me. Same as my mum. She's got an On The Go, but she actually went for the MM size. Now I was going to bring this into a comparison on this video, but she's on holiday and hers is really nice. It's very colourful. So comment down below if you'd like to see that when she's back on holiday. If you'd like me to do a proper comparison with the On The Go, then let me know in the comments down below and I will do that. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know what you think and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.